This is a 2010 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, an illuminated entry system, a sliding rear window, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.